Another dua we should make, allahumma inni auzubika min jahdil balai, wa daraki shaqa, wa su'il qada, wa shamatatil a'da. That, oh Allah, I seek refuge with you from the difficulties of severe calamities. And one is that there is a severe calamity, there is bala. But then there is jahdul bala, yani the difficulty of severe calamity. Because you see, for example, if a person is sick, okay, they're sick in their body, but then there is difficulty that comes along with it. Sometimes that means that you're no longer able to work. Sometimes that means that now your relationship with your spouse is going to be affected. Your relationship with your children is being affected. Your mind is being affected. Your work is being affected. And then you're struggling so much emotionally, mentally. So, jahdil bala, yani extreme difficulty. So, ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to protect you from that. وَدَرَكِ الشَّقَاء, from having an evil end. وَسُوءِ الْقَضَاء, a bad fate. وَشَمَاتَةِ الْأَعْدَاء, and from the malicious joy of the enemies. Don't let people who dislike me laugh at me. Don't give them a chance to be happy because of my suffering. So protect me from suffering. And here in this dua, specifically we're asking Allah to protect us from سُوءِ الْقَضَاء, from bad fate, meaning a fate that turns out to be bad for us.